close, let us see the CT scan of thorax at T3, T4 level. In the previous lecture, I just covered the sections of aorta at different vertebral levels and the CT scan of thorax at T1, T2 level. If you have not seen this lecture, the link is in the description below. Please go and have a look on this on that lecture so you get all of the lectures in this CT scan of thorax at different level lecture series. Now, without wasting any time, let us move towards the scan. Okay, so this is the scan we are going to study in this lecture. First of all, before reading the scan, you must know the left and the right side. So what is the rule? Your right side is the scan's left side and your left side is the scan's right side. So you are done with the sides. Now let us see the structures in the scan. The first one you are able to see is this one, this structure. This is the body of vertebrae, right? Just in front of that you are able to see this grayish circular structure, that is esophagus, and in front of that this is the black or the hypodense structure which contains air is trachea. Right? Now you are able to see this lungs which are again black because those are filled with air and air is a hypodense structure, so these are lungs. Now in front of trachea you have something, this kidney shaped structure. This kidney shaped structure is the arch of aorta. Okay, and you have small circular structure over here and that is superior vena cava. Okay, now you are able to see the ribs in this scan and those are, I am going to show it in green color. So these are the ribs which appears white because they are hyperdense. Those are bones, hence it is white. So these are the ribs. You are also able to appreciate this structure. I am going to name it over here, that is scapula. Also you are appreciating this grey colored structure which I am showing it in purple, this one. Okay, you are not able to see that. Let us take white color. So these grey structures, can you appreciate it? Yeah. So these grey structures are our muscles. Okay. So you are done with reading the scan at T3 and T4 level. The next lecture is on the thorax scan of CT scan at T5 level. So stay tuned and thank you.